Hi, this is Dr. Sharath Kasarle. This audio clip is regarding very useful tips for patients suffering with diabetes and diabetic complications. India is considered as the diabetic capital of the world and soon will be regarded as heart attack, stroke, and even cancer capital of the world. There is nothing to feel proud about, but this is a major concern with heavily densed population and considering diabetic complications like heart attacks, brain stroke, hemorrhagic stroke, kidney failures, even diabetic retinopathy, neuropathy, and venous insufficiency, which is a very painful condition like deep vein thrombosis and varicose veins, and also diabetic foot ulcers. Diabetics are more prone to various types of infections. As we know, in COVID pandemic, diabetics are at optimum risk as far as infections are concerned, and that lowers lungs oxygen capacity and also brain oxygen capacity by overall lowering blood oxygen carrying capacity. So diabetics must follow the lifestyle modifications, and the number one tip is exercise, mainly walking. There is one slogan, Walk to Cure Diabetes, by Juvenile Diabetic Research Foundation, JDRF, and also a lot of medical associations like American Heart Association, Indian Diabetic Association, American Diabetic Association, and even British Heart Foundation. They recommend exercise or even walking to cure diabetes. Nature has blessed us with lot of natural healers which are known as blood sugar destroyers or burners. Now this is a very useful and important information that you must make a note of it. Number one is cinnamon. Cinnamon helps lowering blood sugar levels and also it helps control blood pressure and blood cholesterol. That is, it lowers harmful cholesterol, which is LDL, and also boosts HDL, which is a good cholesterol, and in turn it maintains cardiovascular function and also the brain function and hormonal balances. Second is gudumar, which is known as Gymnema sylvestra, which is also known as a blood sugar burner. Kokum, which is very popular in reducing weight as well as controlling blood sugar levels. Methi or fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds one can consume by overnight soaking few seeds, and 6 to 7 seeds they can consume early in the morning, empty stomach. That helps lower or rather balance the blood sugar levels because methi has got lot of saponins, glucosides, galactomanins, and glucomanins. So these are the active constituents of methi which help in lowering blood sugar levels and also blood cholesterol levels. There are a lot of published reports on fenugreek seeds. They are useful in prevention and treatment of even breast cancers. Guduchi, that is also known as giloy or amruta, is beneficial for reducing blood sugar levels in patients suffering from hyperglycemia. Neem, as we all know, is extremely beneficial for blood sugar management and also to maintain your immunity levels. Jamun seeds, karela, these are also highly beneficial for diabetics. Avla is really a sanjeevani. If I have to name the best fruit or vegetable which has got optimum ORAC, that is oxygen radical absorbance capacity, it is the fruit or vegetable named as Indian gooseberry, avla or amla. This is really the gold mine comes to my mind. Avla has ORAC value over 2,61,000. That means it helps improve oxygen carrying capacity. It helps improve brain oxygen capacity. It also improves lungs oxygen carrying capacity. And not to forget our great drumstick plant, that is moringa, Shevgacha Shenga. This is really the blessing of Mother Earth for all of us, not only for diabetics, but also those who are suffering with a lot of metabolic syndromes or metabolic disorders, and also hormonal imbalances. A lot of women, they face PCOD, PCOS, menstrual problems, heavy bleeding during periods, and even menopause discomforts can be relieved by moringa, as moringa is blessed with almost all the nutrients, like 92 nutrients, 48 antioxidants, and also 71 antimicrobial agents. That means it is the best antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial, antioxidant, anti-aging vegetable, and that everyone must incorporate moringa in their food or diet. I hope this information finds you in best of your health and happiness. Thank you very much. This is Dr. Sharat Kasarle wishing you all the very best.